Hi, I'm Sharon Hillier-Roll. People call me Shazam. This is my alchemist process for eco-dyeing and life. I draw upon the magic of Warwick not just from the woodlands, but by being part of this community. First, I wander, seeking centering of spirit and grounding of foot. I commune with the energy of the trees. In the winter, when the woodland lies cold under a shroud of white, the alchemist in me perceives the truth beneath the frost. A sacred alchemy is taking place. I honor that hidden process. In quiet stillness, the connection begins. When the world is reborn and the woodland bursts with green life, the sacred harvest begins. I go as a friend to the forest and gather without harm, not just leaf and flower, but the tossed aside cloth. I prep and lay the leaves, weaving a collaborative pattern, giving new life to the discarded. In a cauldron of bubbling water, rusty bits, leaves, and vinegar, the transformation begins. I place the sacred bundles in the bubbling chaos, waiting for the alchemy to take its place. I take respite under a willow by the lake. When the timing is right, I remove and unwrap the sacred packages, revealing the mark of the botanical echoes, a shadow spirit of the leaf imprint left on the cloth. Seeing how the alchemy has transformed the fabric is like opening a present on Christmas morning. I celebrate the alchemy of the wild and the alchemy of the soul. After all, we are just the alchemists of our own story. And in Warwick, that magic isn't just in the trees, it's in the fellowship of our community. And that's where this story begins.